There's some map and swanage, so you can have a look where places are for a few seconds. Look very carefully if you can find Greggs in there. So it's a little good shop to have a good food in there. Now I'm going to show you what's called the front entrance of the bus station. There's a smoke alarm just went off. Oh, by the way, I just got told it's a choo-choo train, it's not a lark. You might see a train coming in, folks, when I could video it next. This is another 3 minutes video short clip, because I've noticed I'm getting quite a lot of good views on short videos than long videos. So I'm now trying to describe now on YouTube and then say what the best things at short videos or long videos. Look how you got to adjust and just festival. On the 11th of and the 13th of July, if you're up to that. Swanage News. You can have a look at that on Facebook or Twitter or things like that. It's an open roof bus that goes to Bournemouth. There's a train coming in. I tell you it was coming. It wasn't an alarm. It was a bell to go on a train coming in. I almost nearly done my 3 minutes, so I'll be back on to do another 3 minutes video. So that'll be the part 3. That's that open roof bus that runs to Bournemouth. It runs onto on the boat. That's my 3 minutes up. Catch you in the next one.